How to fix Google Meet sound problem. Hello everybody, what's up? Welcome to this video. I will show you how to fix and solve this problem. So let's learn how to do that. Come first to your settings of your phone, open next your apps option, search for Google Meet. So just open it like that when you find it and then come to the storage. Click here clear cache, go back, click force stop, click OK. Come to permission, make sure that you give permission to camera and microphone, and right now restart your phone and that's it. So don't forget to like and subscribe.